friends, let me introduce you to my treasure. This is my microscope. It's so amazing. There are 3 kinds of round light barriers, which are used to absorb different materials. This is a uniform plate. When observing the prepared slides, it can make the bottom illumination more uniform and the image more clear. This is a white backlight. When a white background image is needed, it can be used. This looks so cool. This is a black backlight. When you need to absorb the details of small objects, it can make the sensor increase the image gain and the details clearer. The microscope is equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, which can work for 3 hours, specially designed for us, so that we can use it in the classroom or laboratory. I love it. That's all. Bye!